Welcome back. We're watching shares of Imperial Oil. They're down today. And for more on that subject, we're joined by Bloomberg's Stephanie Hughes. Stephanie, thanks a lot as always for dropping in. What's the story on Imperial?
Absolutely, Paul. So Imperial Oil shares are down as much as 2.6% today. That's the biggest intraday drop nearly all month. And this is because oil prices have been slipping as analysts point to recent ceasefire talks around the Israel-Hamas conflict. So they're pointing to that as the main driver. But our own Bloomberg intelligence analysts are also pointing to a global economic outlook, particularly in China, as being an overhang still for oil. That said, they don't expect prices to drop below $75 per barrel because OPEC's active supply management is still well intact from what they say in the reports there. That said, until we see relief on oil prices, we'll see names like Imperial Oil and other energy names trading a bit lower there, Paul.
You're also watching Fortuna Mining.
Absolutely. So from one commodity story to another, Fortuna Mining shares are up as much as 4.3%. That led the shares to regain some of the ground it lost in late July there. And that's because the exploration miner that develops precious metals projects in Latin America and West Africa is really benefiting from higher gold prices today. And not only that, but they're also getting a lift from a Scotiabank analyst that raised the price target by about 50 cents to $6.50. So the team pointed to higher precious metals price forecasts as the reason for them to make these revisions to Fortuna Mining as well as other precious metals names. So gold prices once again hit a record high as traders are looking forward to what Fed Chair Jerome Powell has to say at Jackson Hole. But they're also been on a tear just in general, Paul, because traders are more confident that the U.S. Central Bank could deliver the first rate cut sometime this year. So we saw other names like Barrick Gold, Torex, Alamos were among the top performers on the TSX. Fortuna had taken the top spot until it was overtaken ultimately. But good day to be a gold name there, Paul.
It sure is. Thanks a lot, Stephanie, as always. We'll take a quick look at markets before we turn things over to Market Call. It's a down day.